Our goal is to create architecture that truly belongs to its place.
Every project begins with listening to the context. We study the history and vernacular architecture, learning how people have built, lived, and adapted over time. We then read the land itself, the topography, the light, the wind, the temperature. Every site has a specific mood, and understanding this atmosphere helps shape the character of the building. Local materials play a central role in our work. We modernized local materials using contemporary techniques. At the same time, we carefully study the opportunities and constraints of the site. Climate, orientation, views, access, and limitations all become design tools rather than problems.
From this layered understanding, a story begins to emerge. This house in Abuja, the capital of Nigeria, is the result of that story.
Abuja is the city where people from many Nigerian ethnic groups come together, shaping a rich and diverse community. This inspired the design concept based on contrast, an open, welcoming space for receiving guests, relatives, and friends, and more enclosed space for intimate family life. The house is conceived as an open pavilion for large gatherings, naturally emerging from a private, inward focused living space. The residential scheme has a central surface core separating public and private domains, providing two internal yards, making a cross circulation with multiple orientation points that naturally guide movement. Before the program, we had revisited a small part of Nigerian history, specifically the Hausa vernacular architecture. As you can see on this plan, it is marked by a high degree of complexity and spatial privacy. The Zor is an important space due to the security and control it offers to the compound. It is used by the house head for receiving guests, and after that comes the Shakifa. It is a smaller inner Zur used as a more private male social space where the house head can relax in private with intimate friends. How we could inspire solution from this? As you recall, our concept is a relationship between public and private space, so we can benefit from the smooth transition from public to private in the house at home. In addition, we can add the Zur concept in our program as a flexible space with multi-functions mainly used as an office or for reading and work. Our site is located in the Gudu district of Abuja, oriented northeast toward Umaru Road. It is a sloping property with expansive views toward the east. The main entrance is situated directly beside the guest reception pavilion, which opens generously toward the mountain vista in this direction. Drawing from Hausa vernacular architecture, we have incorporated the concept of the Zur, traditionally a transitional interior space, reinterpreted here as a studio. Positioned directly to oversee and control the entrance, it also captures the eastern views. The pavilion connects to two courtyards. The eastern courtyard serves as a quiet zone linked to the master's suite, while the other adjoins the playroom. Both courtyards relate to the living area, which acts at the heart of the home. This arrangement creates a circular flow of movement, from open to semi-open to enclosed space, freeing the plant from rigid order and transforming circulation into a dynamic journey. The open space is nearly half of the total space, just like the past, more connection with surrounding nature, while providing a clear opportunity for future expansion. The Abuja region is defined by its powerful ancient geology, dominated by massive rocks, flat-topped hills, and expanses of weathered granite. In response, stone emerged as an essential and natural material choice. Therefore, the core idea is grounding the design in the place by using stone as the primary material. The architecture creates a tangible and authentic connection to the landscape, ensuring the structure belongs to and resonates with its unique context. The stone is laid in a natural dry stack method with intentional voids. This transforms the walls into permeable screens that filter the light, creating a thoughtful play of light and shadow. A lightweight floating roof made of matte black zinc titanium panels hovers delicately on exposed metal beams and slender steel columns. The roof is thin, modern, and elevated, creating a striking contrast between the heavy stone body and the light black canopy.